I'll be demonstrating a case of dog bite. Now, if you see his nose, your part of the dorsum is gone, your part of the columella is gone. Now, if you see you want to do a reconstruction of this part, there is no better way than doing it by a forehead flap. If you want to do a forehead flap, there are various types of forehead flap. Basically, a forehead flap is based on supratrochlear and supraorbital artery. So on one side, other side also same. Now if you see, there's a median forehead flap which is based on supratrochlear. Then there is a paramedian that is based on supratrochlear and supraorbital. Then there is an oblique forehead flap which is based again on supratrochlear, supraorbital. Now, before doing a flap, and it's a basic principle in any surgery, you measure twice before you cut. So, what is the length of this? So, forehead flap has to be more than that. It is very important. Length of the forehead flap has to be more than the defect. The width has to be more than the defect. And when we are doing a forehead flap, is it only for a cover? Is it for a lining? Many forehead flaps can be used for a cover as well as for lining. But whenever you see a total nasal reconstruction where you need to have a cover, where you need to have a lining, where you need to have a support when the cartilage is not there or cartilage is distorted. In such cases, what you do a lining first, followed by a cover, and then in second stage, you put a rib. That is for the support. So holistic treatment is whenever you do a nasal reconstruction. Let me pick up tooth forceps. Suction.
टेबल हिल रहा है।
टेबल लॉक करो। करो टेबल हाँ ये हिल रहा है। ये अनलॉक करो।
Rotate and see this. Always length has to be more. I am stressing on because I have made couple of mistakes in the past. Blade is fresh.
Yes sir.
See here, can you see? Yes, we have tissue here and see here up to the bone. Okay. Now,
We have to rotate it.
before going further, let us check. Can you see this? It's going perfect. Huh?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Because you will do that. Can you see this? So this is your forehead flap. It will get primarily closed and this will be our cover. And let me tell you honestly, there is a deficit of only cover. Lining is intact.
Okay. Lining is.
We have reconstructed your columella. We have reconstructed part of the dome. This is the first stage After 3 weeks, we'll do a detachment. Maybe that time only we may do a debulking. Now, this has done a primary closure. Now we'll put a small suprotuli dressing here. And we'll remove the sutures maybe 8 to 10 days. Can I have a suprotuli? See, this is bleeding, this is now healthy. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
That means vascularity is intact.